Hi, and welcome to the SugarHero channel. I'm Elizabeth, and today I'm going to show you how to make these spooky witch finger cookies for Halloween.
So first, a little preparation. To get the red almond fingernails, you will need blanched almonds. So start by putting whole almonds in a bowl and pour boiling water over the nuts. Let this sit for 2 to 3 minutes, and after this, the almond skins will basically slip right off, and you can just squeeze them between your fingers to quickly remove all the almond skins. Then pat them dry afterwards. If you want to make them red, take a small paintbrush and paint red gel food coloring on the almonds, then let them dry before you use them. You can do this a few days in advance and just let them sit. To make the cookie dough, start by whisking together 2 1/3 cup of flour and 1 cup of almond flour in a medium bowl, and set this aside for a moment. Combine a 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 8 ounces of unsalted butter, and mix them on medium-low speed for about a minute until the mixture is light and creamy. Then add a 1/2 teaspoon salt and 1 teaspoon each almond and vanilla extracts, and mix those in. Keep the mixer running on low and add the flour mixture to the dough a bit at a time, mixing just until the flour streaks disappear. And at this point, you don't want to overmix because this is how you get tough cookies. The dough should be soft and smooth and not at all sticky, so it's really easy to work with. To shape the cookies, take a walnut-sized ball of dough and roll the dough between your palms until it's about 4 inches long. Place it on a parchment-covered baking sheet and press your finger into the dough in 2 places to make it a bit wider, like knuckles. Use a toothpick to press horizontal lines into the knuckles. Finally, take one of those red almonds and press it into one end for the fingernail. Keep doing this until all of your cookie fingers have been shaped. Freeze the trays for about 10 minutes, then bake the cookies for about 9 minutes at 350 degrees. After baking and cooling, these have a deliciously tender texture, almost like an almond shortbread. They're wonderful by themselves, and they're also great for dunking into your favorite spooky drink.
Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun dessert recipes. Happy eating!